I still remember when I was studying medicine. I was a pre-med student in my second year, and I knew about marine biology from a professor coming from the US, and I loved the issue. I loved the subject, I loved to volunteer. I left medicine, started to study marine biology, and luckily I was amongst the first students who studied marine biology in Jordan. I then helped create the first marine research center in Aqaba and build the first aquarium in Aqaba. From that point of view, I took on my responsibility the issue of protecting the seas, the corals, and the marine life. I participated in several international symposiums and activities, and then I worked with universities across the US as well as in Nice, France, and with and Monaco in France too. I did build aquaria for awareness in many places of the world, and from there I took on the responsibility of doing the first integrated coastal zone management for the city of Aqaba and the coast of Aqaba, to make sure that the environment or the coral reserves are preserved, and help create the first marine reserve in Jordan. I then regulated the scuba diving in Aqaba so that it won't be used for harming the corals, and luckily or eventually I did participate in the environmental peace talks with our neighbors in Israel, and the multilateral talks representing my country and heading the Jordanian delegation to the environment peace talks. I got involved with the water, which is our burden in Jordan. We have enough water for 2 million people, but unfortunately we are over 10 million. With a group of friends in the early 2000s, we created EDAMA, which means sustainability in Jordan, and that's a private sector organization. We deal with issues like renewable energy, clean energy, environment, and water. And we're keen to spread the word. Luckily, now clean energy is constitutes more than 11% of the energy produced in Jordan, and it's evolving much more. We want to spread that information and that know-how to the rest of the country, and probably with our friends abroad, to the rest of the world in the climate change efforts.